Hello, this is Simon Sakala, owner of and teacher at Oasis Eka Fictional Bay. Welcome to this series of 4 videos in which I look at the 4 important qualities of the effective teacher. And the 4 qualities will lead you to effectiveness and consequently to success as a teacher. When I started off as a teacher of English conversation with the Yokohama YMCA 13 years ago, I had no clue what I was doing. In fact, I wanted to quit after my first few classes because I thought I was just wasting the students' time. But the staff helped me by giving me an assistant to help me with a class of 4 5-year-old kids. And that's how I survived. And after that, I decided to learn and find out what are the important qualities that will help me to be successful as a teacher. And I came up with a list of 4 which have helped me over the years. In fact, there are more qualities, but these are very important qualities that one is to learn. The first one is that the effective teacher is a student first, which means that you're committed to learning. You're not an I know it all kind of person. You need to committed to learning skills. And second, the effective teacher is a people person. That is, you're able to handle people and to influence people in the classroom environment in order to get the kind of results that you want. And the third one is that the effective English teacher practices goal setting and works on achieving those goals and achieves those goals. You need to be in the habit of setting goals for yourself, for your skills, for the classroom, for the language levels of your classroom, in fact all the types of classes that you teach. And fourth quality is that the effective teacher is a role model. You need to set a very good example for your students so that the students want to be like you, and that will help you. It does help a lot in getting the students to do what you want them to do and to learn from you. Um, Many people, I'll look at the first part, which is that the effective teacher is a student first. Many people think that being able to teach, to speak English alone makes them good teachers, but that's a wrong notion because teaching requires skills. In order to be effective in your teaching, you need to have special skills. Now, in order to get those skills, you need training. Now, in what areas do you need training? One, you need training in teaching methods. You need to know which methods are effective and which methods will help you to get the results that you want to get in the classroom environment. Two, you need a training in how to manage your classroom, how to deliver those lessons, how to do the best in the time that you have. And three, you need training on lesson planning and how to develop and use materials effectively, how you can leverage the materials to get the best results. And four, of course, you need broader knowledge about the subject, which is English, and that will help you to serve you as a teacher and to become more effective. Now, I look at the first point in this video, as I said, and which is effective teacher student first. So, in order to be a effective teacher, you need to get training. You need to invest money and time in your training, and so that you can get the skills that are required. Knowledge is changing all the time. Say knowledge doubles every 4 years, and there are newer methods of teaching, newer methods of learning. And how do you get the training? One, through teacher seminars and workshops. When you attend teacher seminars and workshops, you learn from other teachers and from experienced trainers, so you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You have to make the same mistakes. You leverage the experience and knowledge of others, and that's very, very important. And two, you can get your training by observing classes of experienced teachers. You see how they handle the lessons and how they execute the lesson plan. And three, you can get trained through receiving personal coaching, where you get into coaching either in a group or on a one-on-one basis. And why at Oasis we give that. And you also get training through reading books, which is will help you a lot. Reading books in different areas and child psychology and learning psychology behind learning and all the other things. Now, the continuing education is not an option for a teacher. It's a must. You have to be committed to continuous education, and you need to do the best you can to continue to upgrade yourself. The different methods of learning, like for example, this video is you wouldn't have thought about this a few years ago, but now okay, you can get instructions and training through a video like this one. And so look forward to the next. In the next video, I'll look at the effective teachers people person, and don't miss that video. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Simon Sakala, Oasis Elkawa. Goodbye.